uno too. Look for uno. Eh? Look for uno. Look for uno.
Look for you too.
Look for uno. I'm tired. So wait there. Where go? Come now. People no have no use. You drive.
Sure we can drive on?
Yeah, sure you can. See there? See Nadisha there. How you feel, Nadisha? See her there. Oh, you bring mango for me? You hear a smile on your face?
Give a mango in a bag.
Thanks for the birthday present. What? You not even a gift? Not even a gift? Not even a tomato? Your workplace. No, it's alright. Come over here, sir, Nadisha. Over here, sir. At least me get birthday present. See there? Thank you, Nadisha.
Thank you, Rondie.
Somebody bought something in her life. You know, hang around with dirty people. Lord, but there, good for soon now. Boy, so wait there. Wait, number say a D.
That's a D there?
Yeah. That's why we have to let old people not care. Good for soon not to write it. I say, if I have to spend my birthday, at least a drink. At least try what you're drinking.
Oh, that money.
On the road again.
Serious.
You know, man, I say, trust the people, the original Godfather.
One and only.
The original Godfather. This is Nadisha and this is Trusty. These are the foundation people of Jamaica Good Life. Basically, everybody will get help in the world because of you. Nadisha, tell buddy stop every time I come here and look up on phone.
1,600 2 weeks.
I'm going to play ball.
Rondie.
Tell me come here in the phone.
Rondie, say you're not putting by your signal.
After you're not there.
You're not there.
Never involved, but he's a missing in action.
Yes, sir. All right.
We're gonna have a little. Them not have no cake now. We can't light a cake. We can't. Alright, we're gonna get some money. There's no bakery. We can buy a little cake.
Yes.
Alright, sorry. This is Rondie, Jamaica Good Life with Trusty. Lord, try to feel good. We're going to go to the bank, get some money and celebrate life. It's my birthday yesterday.
So, alright, so you get some money and we're going to pop a piece of chicken and go assist us.
Maybe pokey and pork, I don't know. But, you know, we can't lift him out. But we can go anywhere.
Come again.
We're not going to see sign.
So now can. I say we can't sing the restaurant and eat, you know.
No, sorry, we can't. Oh. This is NEGRIL, original Jamaica Good Life. See him there. This is the Godfather. All the people that will get help over the world. And we are the foundation or something you walk on.
Yeah.
We had you and Nadisha. If I never Nadisha house, if I never you, enough people will get support all over the world would not you. A human meet and you introduce me to Nadisha. So everybody wanna watch everybody Jamaica Good Life 2 years ago. And we set the trend, we're the foundation. So see him there, people. I him one of his support, and she one of his support. Cause them are the people why everybody kick off them on YouTube and da. Everybody a build house and a do this and a do that and a do that because of him right yourself. The little whole car. Wait there. Him see we? Yo!
I
You know see we yet?
Yeah, so we have a sir.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
Look like my work hard. I'm doing
Cheering that far.
See them people me now say it louder than me now say it louder and prouder. Enough thing they try do to me say, Lord, let me tell you, hold up your hand, trust him like a spray. Lord have mercy. That's it, that's good. No, sir. What me not no belt. Throw my wallet there.
Really? How do I get a ticket?
I went with a ticket there.
Your ticket is?
Yeah, you know, I said the boy them a chat.
What ticket to man? My youth.
People, this is the original Dan Gargan. Contract. This is the legendary. You know, every time people saw them start crying. I must see a blackness for frightening them.
Yeah, don't know to frighten them man. I prefer them man.
Boy, what a thing, the original Dan Gargan. No, let me curse, sorry. See Nadisha there? Pretty as usual. Smiling and thing, and she is pretty as usual. Lucky thing she have a man, cause so much more that don't take her already. Bunny, you lucky. So now we're going to plucky, pokey. What a thing, life is funny. Where the fans them there? Eh?
I don't know.
Where the fans them call you? Not a soul, huh?
Look how far with that. Patrick shot me over there now.
Which Patrick?
Patrick and the others.
Okay. You see?
Patrick shot me over there man. So I want to come on yard, but I don't know about it.
The whole of you. Let me tell you something. Look how my face good. Big man. Now this I'm not going to sell out to them. The love what we build in this thing here. Because we not find our friends. Why am I not even sell out to them? Disrespect. I'm not even going to say. Yes, but we're going to just enjoy it there. See the legendary Trusty there. See Nadisha there. I hold it, you know, Trusty. I hold everything. I hold it.
I'm sorry, come on. The park over there, sir. The park over there. The park over there. What are you in there, sir? What are you in there?
You're the driver, and I'm not talking, people are driving.
You can't hold it. Just you can't hold it, so talk it to me. Talk to me.
I wasn't really focusing on it, you know?
Alright, I'm going to buy some for my birthday. We're going to buy some pork and chicken and go back to the original house. Especially we're going to buy some pork and chicken. You staying in Nadisha? We're going to sneak up on a special person. Oh, open the door for you. changed about him.
Nothing
Nothing changed.
Nothing
Didn't grow up. You did not grow up. Nothing changed about you. Nothing changed. Look on him too. When are your birthday? Boy, look at this. What a thing. Nadisha, they said the Trusty there. Look on him too. Look on him. A breadfruit in that. Who's this lady? Who is she? What's her name?
What's your name? Too much fine chicken there. Too much fine chicken there.
Wow, like. Can you believe this? Wow, look on him. People, Lord, no sir. Can't believe it. Yesterday was my birthday. Look at him. Nah change. Nah grow. Nah bleach. Nah bleach.
Where you come from? I'm going to give you one more. You lady like that.
The pork ready?
Always ready. You lady like that. 4,000.
You not glad for see me?
Of course I do.
Alright, give me social distance and hug. See the people, the one and only. So, Trusty, you eat pork?
Nadisha eat pork? Okay.
Pork is your favorite? My friend them eat pork. Nice lady, my friend them eat pork. See the Toronto, I can't believe what I see here today. It look like an eclipse. People cannot believe what they're seeing in front of you. Cannot believe.
That's good something. I like it.
You like this one?
Oh God.
Then buy the whole pork cat now.
Don't worry. I buy everything.
But you know, so me our first man. I'm Miggy of the world, you know.
Bread.
All right. You see the people, Trusty and Nadisha. This is Rondie. A Jamaica Good Life put him in the world. So how long you know her? Pokey still a work hard people. So fans, how come you don't call her? They don't call you Pokey. You see that? You see? Yeah, everybody forget about Pokey, eh? See there? That's them sometime-ish. You see how people stay, but open up the pork pan because my friend them want pork. My friends would like pork. New tire. I just start the movement. You're still strong as ever. You see you have new pants. You have new pants.
Yeah, we have new pants.
So you know, see me I travel, I eat people chicken, you can text me about fear chicken are the best.
Man, you ain't see it?
You see me?
Yeah, watch me.
So So you just come out here with at 6 o'clock a curfew, you know. What is soup? Why not this? Yeah, I'm my birthday yesterday, you know, that's why I'm going to celebrate with you, you know.
You always take me at Bazaar.
What you said to me?
You know when you're there.
You
You
know,
fault and you mean glad telling you about fire!
don't lick woman python, no. No, don't lick him.
Where the glad is the girl?
At a beach street.
She don't let me out.
She not left you out?
So, if he even not coming, he man have to buy chicken to come. Problem in night time.
So now the fans them are going to see you now and I'm going to start call you again. You see them sometime-ish?
You cost them too much.
Me cost them? I saw them say?
No, they not tell me nothing. We don't know. You're dirty drunk. Nobody not tell me. Already? Come wind up on me, baby.
Whoa!
You can't get here. Make your money tall, boy. It's your head bad. You don't want to go work out over Central.
Let's ride away.
Dandy.
No, go ride away.
Cool and deadly. Where are you two? You have to get me to buy from my house.
This is NEGRIL. So Pokey, we're celebrating.
So where you drink here, buddy?
We went out for drink some rum. You know,
I'm not drink one yard now.
You don't drink, bro?
Nadisha, you know, drink some rum too. You know, drink some rum too. So we're going there, so.
Rum selling there, drink selling there.
Alright. Get the flask.
When Nadisha said,
And 700 for the flask.
Yes, no, Nadisha just get some sit and go and see and stuff like that.
Okay. So get the
You know, so
flask.
want me trip for my birthday?
What that?
You know, they watch and play. Rum cream. The boss go buy one big pack of
Yeah, but somebody can cook you one bucket rum cream when we done your idea for your birthday with you.
What want you say?
I want to go buy one in a big
A
pack.
flask, a rum
Right
with
now,
some
next to
chaser.
first one, run big pack of one, run them down.
That's it.
I'm going to some one drink, you know?
Rub me a drink and boom. Rum and boom.
Okay, open up the pork pan and just put the thing on the file, make we eat while we talk. And put breadfruit on it. People in the world see Jamaica Good Life, yeah, that's how it starts. Everything we do with the heart. You see? Right, that's how everything starts.
Him no want no boom, you want Pepsi.
Get a pound of pork. How much for a pound of pork? Eh?
Pork gone at 400 a pound, you know. Me done cook here 400.
Boy, put some pepper on it.
Where
Boy.
they come from?
Look here now. Hey, hey.
Oh, you love similar Randy, what?
Let me tell you something.
Randy more by church. The one in half a year. Right in a year, you go sit down.
Them know say you're the best in the world, you know. Them know. Hey. Put a whole of breadfruit in there. Just put breadfruit and pepper. You not even give me no onion. You have to put it separate. That's my birthday present, you know. Can't believe. Say the fans them left you out, so. You see, but you know what? You see, they can't get me on your house. Let me tell you something. You see, love is a thing, you know. Love is a thing, it's real. Me right or me wrong?
Right.
Look how the love between me and the whole of the... You see the whole of them step in between...
You cost them too much.
Them say me cost them too much?
Me I tell you.
Me cost them too much?
Watch them. Do what you have to do.
Alright.
Do what you have to do.
Boy, the Almighty say love. Alright, me not cost nobody, but Lord God, Pokey give me a piece of plastic spoon or something. Boy. You know, say a birthday present Poke this. People in the world, him still is the greatest. You see me? I'm going to travel over the world, celebrate my birthday, a piece of Poke. No matter what they say, this skin a bounce back. Are the best in Jamaica. Best in the world, best in town. Me like a girl, them black, me not like them brown. See the people, best in town. Hey, me need one of them chicken for free, no, me not pay for it. Me is home is.
She want something there, back steer. Look one back the last time.
Yo, my girl, look at that.
Come on, boy. You don't see.
Poke, best birthday present.
Yeah, give it to my dad.
You know, say me love the pork more than how me love you. And the pork not talk back. The pork not jealous. The pork not treat me bad. The pork love me. So stop in there and make me eat it. Boy! Yeah, man. See there? This how the whole thing start with Pokey. And Pokey said me cuss out. Pokey said me cuss out too much.
Anything drop the key.
Pokey, you're special. I remember how nice it is, you know.
Oh, nice.
Why the man they still hang around? You know going yet?
I like me, I like. Trying to jump off.
Jealous. China jealous.
Pokey, let me get some soup, sir. Work with me, stop working on the man. Let me get some soup.
You're not going like that. What size is small?
Give me a small one. People,
Come me pretty girl, yeah?
Lord God, there is a God.
Yeah, come me pretty baby.
I know from the pork. A curfew, what, 6 o'clock? We're going to drive far and wide for this pork, you know. Every year, I eat pork. Once a year. So pork, eh? No pressure. Let's make soup now.
Meat and bone, right? Alright.
Yeah, meat and bone. Red fruit, onion, spicy pot.
See there? See the boss lady there? I'm going to give me 2 more breadfruit, you know. Because when I'm done eat till we're fat, you know. When I'm done, you make till we're fat. What a woman pork hot. She named Pokey. She shot. When I come back for my birthday, just to see him. I'm glad say no bleach. Because if it bleach, but I run left you.
Show me liver. Yeah. Show me liver nigga, me no bleach, man. You don't want no book. and bump for me by.
No, sir. So one woman can't bleach. And even bleaching cream can't change him. Black and beautiful.
300, 400. 200.
I'm not going to turn up and eat now before the food done.
I can seaside.
Alright, get a fork.
I can seaside. I want to put that already.
Eh,
And I used to know pork.
I'm going for my birthday. Tell him to give us some more breadfruit.
We can't wait to go there.
You get the rum? You get the rum?
Yeah, man.
Only for my birthday, made the pork.
I want to put a little bit too.
You look a little bit, right?
When Rondie there, how long then? Just your fucking
I want to put a little
You
bit.
look a little bit for sure. We did expect more from him.
I want to put a little bit too.
Where I come from so far.
I want to put a little bit too.
What you saying, lady? Me not touch the pork yet. Me don't eat pork. Me not eat pork. That was my brother. Look there. You see, look at idiot people. Me not to bring them go eat. Picnic enough to eat food.
It costs too much.
I saw them.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. I am going to drop it out.
Hey, breadfruit there.
Yeah, pork, you wear breadfruit. Them. Me not see no breadfruit in anything. What kind of half pound of pork business?
Where's the bell? Where's the bell? Where's the bell?
Boy, NEGRIL hot. Things are going, pork are going.
Change the front for me, my friend. Take a change for that.
NEGRIL hot. The pork hot. I thought I might have to go back to the bank and buy another half pound. Right, Ann? We might have to take your money and buy a pound and go back to the bank.
Alright, no more.
You see me?
Yes, you want. Come on.
Because the way Nadisha eat the pork. Pokey, wrap another pound of pork. Make it heavy with a whole heap of breadfruit. And throw a piece of free chicken in it. And don't play with me. We're the team. Me and Python and Nadisha will roll up and take the whole card from you.
Serious, sir.
Huh?
Serious, sir.
This is a pork stick up.
Nadisha know better.
Yeah,
We never went around.
We have rum 9 bag. Okay, so.
I don't want to send around my yard. It's too rough for that, man.
What name, sir?
Hey, boy. Hey, boy.
Joey!
Yo!
Come here. The bag when me carry her, go for me around the yard. We buy the one in my key.
Damn Nadisha, hey, what's Nadisha? I don't trust it. My God, look like a race in a race. Nothing I eat. What a celebration. I saw him a treat me. You don't like come and take your customer before we, you know. Pokey, we want more breadfruit. Don't have a riot up yourself.
NEGRIL now, yeah, yes. Alright.
What's the breadfruit?
You
Look on him belly, I must be pregnant. He's pregnant.
You hear her? You hear her? You hear her?
What a lovely
You never
people.
catch up here, I've been a third and that's me.
Posting chicken for
So lady, I move slow enough, pork I done quick and without breadfruit. This is not right. Why when we come here so busy? We can't make time for we?
Always busy.
You can't make time for good people. Business good. Say our number there, 876-8879. Best in town. I don't like them brown, I like them black. And sexy and fat. See there?
You smell that? You lady in I carry this.
You have an assistant now, Pokey. Set up the breadfruit and stop playing.
Let me set up the neighbor. Okay.
Hey, Trusty. You're not giving up pepper, you know? You're not giving up.
Jesus Christ, a star.
A good thing we come out with the pork almost done.
I can't believe you. And you want it spicy? Alright, we don't give it dry. That's something not taste of pepper in a baby.
The soup nice. Hey, Nadisha, left that piece of me. We're getting another.
Where's the 1 pound more pork?
One more pork and more extra breadfruit because you did cut sharp on the previous breadfruit.
The pork wasn't enough.
One
Wasn't
pound
enough.
of big, is it when they have
And the breadfruit wasn't enough. And I'm not the breadfruit.
I never see the scale when he wait. All the bone nice. Boy, that pork are really righteous, you know.
Yeah, you put nice man.
Nice, man. Trusty.
We're not talking about it enough.
True.
I'm come around to your shop where you use to the alleyway.
You're poking. We not can buy the pork and just go in yard and just put in a pot and take it back home.
I saw young people.
So, we don't have to pay a thing. We just buy it, go in yard when I cook for him, throw for in there, and then take it out. You always say porky?
I hear you, man.
Hey.
1 pound, 1
Don't be on a 1 pound, 1 ounce.
That's a 2 pound of pork. That's 6,400. Plus the soup, 6,000.
Where you match me for? Put the breadfruit in anything and stop match me.
7,000 naira.
You cost too much, people. Put more breadfruit in it. And pepper and onion. Don't shout me on the onion.
Yes, honey.
The bit of them pork, you know. The bit of them pork.
Don't shout me on the onion. The people then... See there? See there? See there? Me not see no onion. Me not see no onion. And me not see the breadfruit yet. Me not see the breadfruit yet. A birthday celebration. You dash with the onion for Python food. Alright. Alright. Lord God, let's celebrate. Python, you're the minister. Pray over the pork.
Bless it, Lord.
Alright, done.
Done.
You want a piece of pork, lady? No? You sure?
You want to say you don't for strength that you want to tell me?
Well, don't say the bone me have to save till next year. I can put the bone in my pocket and save it till next year, pork.
There's something that really that trouble right now, you.
Well, I'm to tell you what a thing, what a celebration. Alright, where my fork then? Okay, what can I get pizza? Just drop pizza chicken on the thing now. Nice, you know, Python. This birthday celebration. We have to put pressure upon him. We have to put pressure upon him. Can you chop a piece of chicken for us, please? We're still waiting. We're tourists. We don't like how the service is slow. I pay a bone himself in a Python.
What type of chicken you need? Don't you have bone in you?
All right. What kind of what part of chicken? Just give me one. Give me the one where you just took. That one they look good. Give me that one there. I like how she rush on the thing, you know. Yeah, that one they look good. Serve the gentleman. All right, so we're celebrating my birthday, so it's nice, and this is. From him, no change, same poke. I'm never tell you Happy New Year.
Where one for the sauce?
Put the sauce, special sauce. Are you making? That one man a man devil make a serious sauce, you know.
Look on the road. Look on the road.
Bring it over here, so. Right, and start the car or runway.
And I'm thinking about, you know, when Pokey can't find you, find me, I know. You know, support you.
Just a buckle for a beat board of freaking boss.
You know, support you with that.
Now we start to say about your jerky.
Now support you with that, baby.
We do what?
Who costs more than me? Who costs more than me?
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna check the chicken. What a birthday celebration. That's how we did the Jamaica. NEGRIL.
Rondie, me didn't play it for you.
Hmm?
Me didn't play it for you.
No, I'm not eating for my birthday.
Yeah, Rondie.
I once a year.
No, remember one time Rondie never eat food for 2 python.
Oh man.
I fool my food.
Every trip when they make a Jamaican and Pokey.
When they pay house, we say, why is it pork?
You know, so give me a fork now. Nice lady.
Just starving. You know, can me have flip him.
We have to race with two of them, you know. Dirty people.
Yeah, come here, then.
It's nice, no python. Oi!
Restaurant that I done.
Yeah, I'm sure you know poke. I miss the poke, you know. Thank you, ma'am. You're so amazing. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Real pork.
I never believe that.
I'm best in town. Pork you mean no pork last year? No. 2 years ago me the pork.
Come back.
See there? Not shame. Same pork. Real as ever. Mean as ever. Thief as ever. Always I cut my pork short. Put bone in my thing. See a big bone here? It's a bone. Can we return this? We need half pound of bone. The bone is half pound.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, trick me. Put bone now. People, let me show you something about porky pork. You see that skin here? Look on that pork skin here. One, two, three.
Say, what thing young person they do? Where they jump like a when Chocho young and they run what? Them. Do him. The big like a governor Washington.
You know him? What a celebration. Okay, the breadfruit run out again. Python, the breadfruit run out again. I keep the breadfruit for the customer. So we can't get bread. If breadfruit run out, we can't get bread. Why am I treat yourself? So we can't get bread? You think so we can't afford bread? We don't want to take all the breadfruit. You see what we are making head spin. You see, you can't control it. Hey, Pokey can move fast now the COVID though. And the fastest never see him moving out like. I once a year celebration. Now first never see Pokey move so fast now. I don't move? Pokey, we need bread. Apply pressure to you. What's a celebration? If we do a toast, Pokey will get some rum to you. Pokey? You are the best. You are the best. You are the best.
You want leg and tie? Or bread sandwich? I want to pick up pizza in that.
I want to don't touch the skin part. I want to Look at people Pokey go eat all the skin. And on my birthday. See that jiggle there. The best in town. People see that. It's jiggle on my birthday. Pokey, Python and Nadisha each have the bread. You mean say a 2 pound of pork we eat? A 2 pound of pork and we eat.
Someone you talk to every day, they don't have no money. They didn't cut it by the other.
And this is it.
Where you want, Penny?
Well, people, Nadisha, you're stuck. Nadisha, boss. This was an amazing celebration. Start the car, make a run.
When you go and go from here, Nadisha, coming around.
Flipping bill.
Nadisha, your boss.
I chop this. No, when so in time, it can be slow down sometimes. When we just start,
Oi. This is Jamaica Good Life. Best in town. I like them black, I like them brown. See us the black?
Bring me this cereal. Oh, just bring me that cereal.
Why you no for your paycheck?
Oi.
I'll keep coming out.
So this is my last piece of pork now for a whole year.
when again.
Till my birthday again.
Where's the nana cooking to
That are just a harmful day.
You see, after you eat pork, you know. You can't fool around with no other sap pork.
Ready, Melda? No! No, man, ready now. You don't like man with their face, you push up in the boy.
pizza. Thank you so much, man.
Where's the wow?
Sauce today. Wow, thank you so much. This is a great birthday present. Thank you so much. Pokey, so me get free pizza. What y'all give me for free today? You see, Python, you see what I'm going on? Yeah, listen to them too. Free pizza for Rondie. You know, like how she treat me like so she don't know me, you know. I may give you that pink shirt that you forget. You mean so now what you come with him? Yeah. Okay. It means that I have to go drink when I force me to drink with him, you know. The bone, the what thing? Oh man.
You want the onion?
Rub everything else, so take out the bone there, man. And rub everything else upon the chicken.
You need pay for it, my own, Mr. McCarran manage your yard. Come here with your $500. Yes, please.
Rub the pork grease upon the chicken.
Stop your mind. What problem? Don't talk to the girl.
Oh, people, see there? Pork and chicken. Best in town. We like them black, we don't like them brown. Black woman, look how you black and nice, lady. Don't bleach. Never do that. But you look like 25, what do you mean yours? Don't do it. I like downtown, I come down. How much time we have left? Alright, I go bust the... Alright, you wrap it up for me. 9 minutes to 5. Alright, I'm going to leave out. So...
Come down the other man. Come down the other man. Oh, you can't get pocket tonight. More rain, more rain.
What a celebration.
The other man gets everything tonight from the Babylon there.
Boy, what a celebration, Python. You feel good?
Yeah, man. Yo, you see yourself, Fat Ross?
I see me say everything, so.
Python, you're not even for it?
You want me daddy, me see you left. Let's speak to you, good.
Okay, how much we owe you? What's a deal, sir?
See there?
In them man, I have 1 hour for drive, that's good. Put some book.
1600.
chance to get the weather.
This is for my birthday. All right. I wait for Pokey. Pour some theme too. Come on, him give a toast. So run out of here. How much you owe you, Pokey? Talk your mind. I'll pour your rum. Come here, you have to have a toast. You have to have a toast in the family. Give him the 5,000 by time. We won't get you. Mr. Wait. You saw him angle me. Me don't like it. You have to go. Set him up good tonight, okay? Give him the $6,000 because we're not coming back here ever again. So don't miss me.
Man have to try to survive.
Alright,
man have to do this thing, just like how they have to do it.
You see it? We respect that. Look on him. He not change, you know. Same thing, you know. He not change, you know. Look on the love with me and him there. Never change. Alright, ma'am. Here's your $6,000.
Oh my God. So where is the profit?
See the damn profit. See? Now you have a drink. Come. A toast to good life. Nothing wrong with it. Mr. Python, can't deal with him, you know. And he want me to come back here? Can't deal with him.
I'm going to be in the restaurant then.
Can you believe we're here? We're still standing after all this stone and stone.
Yes, man. Still standing down.
Eh? The love is still the real love. You have some fake love out the road, you know. You say real love? Real love. You say here, come on. You say real love? Can't dead. I when they pull up your head. Feel it. Feel it. Now one day me just come chase you around your house, you know.
No, man, go back.
Look on him. Look on him. Eh? Look on him. Can't top love him. Eh? Me like them black, me not like them brown. Especially in NEGRIL town. Remember when me used to assist you? Remember when me used to hold your money, Pokey?
What size soup you want, Daddy?
Oh, yeah. Busy. What time now? What's the count?
Hey, Rasta, I'm going, you know.
I'll come check on you next week. You know it, Corey. You know it, Corey.
Say, yeah, but I want to man. Try to do things.
No, man, that's how you go, bro.
What is it? You hear something like that?
No.
But it come the other day. Okay. No man, and me and him did start it, you know, and everybody, the love when me and him did have. You see when me and him go on camera, everybody say, yo, who want to in the middle? And when they come in the middle, you know people stay. Them can't, them see the love. You see him there? I mean, make him laugh, you know. Me just juke him.
Chicken and pork, corner soup.
Okay, another toast before me leave. Come here.
Where they go? I push me. I drive it there.
Yeah, man.
Are you back somewhere?
Give me a toast to long life.
Where you go and meet my friend?
Mister, pay attention.
Leg.
Pay attention. Give me one more toast before I go.
Pablo, wash out.
Watch out, man, and move fast. And him, a 5 assistant he want. Why do too much work and we not get no pay now? It's a celebration shot. Oh Pablo, I'm gonna move on, I'm gonna mobile. I'm tell you, I'm watch no face. When the room them done, just call me. Come here, kick him off of bed. When the room them done, call me.
Yeah, man, I have a charter at the afternoon. Give me all of the details. Go on, yeah, bro.
That's it, baby.
Your boss, please go back one. Your boss, please go back.
Let me drink out some more time, come.
Rondie, what kind of destruction you carry?
A power in me. You see me come here and explain. I drink out a pokey cup. You know things sound big like me can drink out a pokey cup. When you do, me not for custom in about. Oh no! Because I don't see the love between me and him. When you dirty stincture. You feel already, right? Okay, we love you. Always will.
Yeah, 150.
Nadisha, hold this for me, please. Let me drink up.
Small one you want,
One small one.
Oh, this working woman in Jamaica, look how she moves, sir. And look how she beautiful. This is how you lose weight and you work out, you look nice and tight. You exercise, you have a treadmill now.
more exercise, more when you get.
You cut down on the cow. Drink up more and drinks. I can't hold it, man.
Chicken and pork, corn and soup. Remember, say 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, lockdown, corn and soup, chicken and pork.
Lick the pan again, lick the pan again.
6 o'clock, lockdown, 6 o'clock.
Fire!
Chicken and pork. Corn and soup, chicken and pork.
Fire!
6 o'clock, lockdown, green now.
Fire!
Come the element, turn up.
Fire!
Come the element.
Boy! Pork hot. A spiritual work that's not porky. No.
I say pass up some details, but I say when in the bun and say fire!
In the Africa. Keep it real, Nadisha. Never fake. Love is always real. You see me? I love when I like cook food, but not like pork. No, pork. Once a year.
Just an eye.
When we drink up more porky drink.
When I go in my bed and I will be praying that this look to one.
I toast to you.
When I drink half my rum.
Hold it. Long life, and I'll see you soon. Alright, I love you. Like cook food. Okay, until next time. I'll be here next week, Ken.
Have a
Never
good day.
friend. Love you, right?
And you know, give me no tip, you know.
Over here.
Yeah, follow around.
That's over here. I wait a second. That's over here. This for me.
So what me to can know which water man pick up here? Go and come here.
See your tip there.
Oh, yeah.
See you later.
Yes, my friend.
Give me a headbutt. Love you, alright? We see you later. Eh? See you
That's you,
later.
me baby.
Later.
See you, honey.
Later.
Wait.
Boy, no me can't drive now. Boy. Boy. Me say Python, me can't drive now. Me all rummed out. What a Jamaica Good Life, nice sir. Python eat £2. Me could go back to the bank. Okay, rub with you. Python, you eat £2 a pork. It's no good.
Nadisha ain't open up.
What's wrong on the bread?
Let's show up and break your foot there.
I need the keys now to you. A £2 a pork just now. What is this?
I want for that.
No man, half a
Bad man. This is Jamaica Good Life, the original scene there. Trusty, Dan, I am that. And Nadisha. And yours only. Rondie. Them can't stop the movement. It's love and it's real love and enough fake thing. So them gone, man. It's a Pokey there. We started this movement and because of we enough people get help all over the world. See her there? Go back to the bank. Love is real and love cannot end. But Uno? No viewers. Watch out, dog. Python will lick you, but me not lick you. Wait.
Make it that name. Make it that name.
What a day. What a hour. Watch yourself! Oh Lord, line.
No, you can't use any one of them in Rondie.
Eh? So why them in the line, so? Good life. Original. We feel good. What's a birthday celebration?
Yeah man, that was good.
That is what you call. I tell them, say no. For my birthday, I wanted to be around some very important people in my life. 2 years ago, I met you now. We create a love energy all across the world. And it was real love, pure. And people them come in and they see the love and the happiness. I never know one of them say, how come you meet them people and you don't know them? Poker Martin. Poker Martin up on the ladies sideways.
Good. The least good thing I'm right now, they can't in a nothing for them.
Sideways. Them have them woman they're skill, you know. Sideways. This is the real Whitehall estate. This is a red ground. It's on my stamping ground, you know. What did you pay for when my mother and father forsake me? The Lord will take me. Nadisha, me stand up, you know. All this tune and fling for me, you know. Me stand up and take it and I say nothing. And that's why we can't have this reunion. And it's pure love. So when them see the film, people go ball when them see you. They must say, you know, Rondie, never forget them. Rondie, I try dirt and I do things and how much people get help. Woman get here and here.
You come back next week?
Yeah, man, I pass
Alright, come down earlier next week, mate, so we can go back and look up farm.
I want to see the farm.
Yeah, man, you gotta come in there.
Alright, them say, the love train can't done. We help so much people in the world because of the starting of Whitehall. It's Whitehall at the foundation of the new Jamaica Good Life. Nadisha cook food, Trusty drive, but them whole of them forget about we. But we're a foundation. You know what people do? Then walk for a foundation, right? And what we say? To God be the glory, because we never take no credit.
Foundation,
So that's a good thing about Jamaica Good Life. When you signed up to it, you did it for the love. Yeah. Just to get the least amount of financial support. Also Nadisha. So we want to change that when we come. We want to spend more time. You know? We want to change that and come back to the foundation, back to the root. And that's how it's not this hard. Tell the people them so. Tell them so. So I'm to the car.
Alright, one no one them buy an engine for the car. Put an engine on the car. One the papers, the man can't find the papers.
For the engine?
Yeah. So right must borrow them.
So we there.
So what me ought to know, I take over the engine of the car. Stamp
You
out
can't,
that number.
if you drive it with it, him say it's fit.
Transport authority. Like the exam come down for me.
So wait there, you can't make him do a video.
No, what me ought to do, I do the easy. I talk about the engine of the car.
You give me money back. You might give me money.
Me have to use the engine. I take it out of the car. Stamp out that engine number off right and stamp it my engine number off it.
You have people do that.
I want 10 gonna tower.
Okay.
So that me ought to do. So I take it out and stamp it. That's the virgin out of it. I don't saw space in there go out.
That is from that time we left.
Yeah, we drive after that man.
Okay.
We drive after that man.
That was the transmission before.
Yeah, your transmission good enough. Your transmission solid.
And just a new engine you will buy to upgrade it. Why am I telling you now? Life is funny, life is what it is. But we give thanks. This was a celebration. I took one and poke with them.
No crave me, no?
No, you crave me, sir.
No crave from back to right. Don't let you crave for yesterday chicken I can't warm this. How you crave me? Right now?
Boy. Oh, boy, sir. Avenue. This is where it all. That's where it all started. This is where it all started, people. Everybody wanna say I get help on YouTube channel is because of this house over here. Don't make nobody fool or no. Don't make them school or no. This yeah so is like Bob Marley house. You know how much people get inspired and come back to Jamaica because of the yard, yeah? Alright. Yes, sir. I go move. Yes, sir. I'm a good man. I go call him when I reach. Hold on, me got it. Original place. We celebrate. See original yard there. This is why you see everybody at the YouTube channel because of the house here. Nadisha. Nothing that. So they got them they will start the thing. Trusty nothing.
Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. No, man,
My good man, I call you now. Later. People, see him there. That's how it started. Mr. Brown, I'm gonna support them. These are the people who started this movement. Yeah, see me. See him there? Foundation. Foundation is something on the walk on. So everybody will walk on the foundation where we build, and we must have some respect. Have some respect for the foundation where we build, and we inspire our country. Queen Cuisine, I say nothing. All the people that must stay loyal to the thing, man like, you see man like, Mark, man like Mike, Eh? People that will never left my side. And all the sure, me that, when I come around here, I feel away. Kevin from NEGRIL and Kevin from Mobile. I don't know it go already. We have foundation and everybody we've been watching General, Royal General, Trelawney. All the people have been watching this program and know how it started. I know how the love, the real definition of love among us, how it started. I come back here to celebrate my birthday because the people that must show me love in Jamaica. Real love never die. You see all the fake one them wanna continue to fly. Cause Rondie, me take all the hits. Take all the hits. So now I don't know about call Pokey now and start no foolishness again. But you know look friend. When me and Pokey start episode 2, we're there 600 episode now. Episode 2 when me and Pokey start. And then we meet Trusty. And Soji me have to check soon. And when me and Pokey started, the whole world, none of you never about. None of you never push Pokey out and change cat wheel. Not one of you. And you call her, full up her head of foolishness. I wanted to know, did you call her and support her? Okay. When I sure. And she said, I cuss everybody and I cuss too much, but you see the love we did have, man. Let me tell you something. Don't nobody call her now. Don't bother call me neither. Nobody call Pokey and call me and start with the fakery again. Don't just keep watching on the TV or unsubscribe. And I hurt the feelings. And I chat too much and I'm there on the yard. When I'm there on the yard and I have no life, no for the woman them. I don't want to come in a Jamaica Good Life like a soap opera. When I sit down on the yard and find something to do. Because that is what mash up a lot of things. No fun don't have nothing to do. I want to see real love among people. I don't love on the yard. I love for nobody. I want to come in and I want to start the gossip and the foolishness. When you're workless, when you're useless, when you're unsubscribed, and go about to the business. Rondie out.